Uba hek MLA jangka pentorum kera mentang sengi kah nyau tarik ulber arajar arpulai ulah syamsmai hakasin ka bahandriu kataru handriu sin lenter laban kedau hangne ba uba hek ulah job nungkong kum MLA hakasam cek nas pak kandai pupra dikani ulah job yang hakasam arajar lai arajar pra arajar khat lai arajar khat pra bat arajar arpulai bat kumta ulah long MLA uba remtam hakayin do batho an jong ke jela hadin jong Dr. Mukul Sangma ubalong menta unung iram jong kasang Trinamul Kongres. Dr. Mukul Sangma ulajat nungkong ia kemu melihat kasam syak nespa kendai pulai. Haberkan bakin otok khobor hadin balik bancim semai ubah elhek ula ong baka jingilek persaj uji ki kambam sap kejai peteng hakan dikasokar MDE2 pat abala kelipat halol kejing iasam ni kejing yabha ya shuki minister bat Bah Sanbor Sulai ubalong we pat MLA jong BJP ubah helak ulang bagan di kita kam jaga sang BJP ni buat Delhi.
I, Alexander Lalu Hek, to swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the constitutions of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, that I will faithfully and conscientiously discharge my duties as a minister of the state for the state of Meghalaya, and that I will do right to all Manav people in accordance with the constitutions and the law, without fear of favor, affection, or ill will. I, Alexander Lalu Hek, do swear in the name of God that I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person or persons any matter which will be brought under my considerations or shall become known to me as a minister for the state of Meghalaya, except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as such minister.
Kind of governance, or how would we see this?
Obviously, definitely, we are going to have a corruption-free government, and we are interested only to serve the state and the people. That's all only we know.
Okay, thank you.
So, do you think the visit of the Prime Minister, which is the first time here in Meghalaya?
It is the first time in the history. I have been elected for the last 6 consecutive terms. I've been minister since 1990, and I've been seen the minister before also. This is the first visit of Honorable Prime Minister, the sworn-in of the cabinet, the chief minister's ceremony.
Baik kalau vokal wa ya corruption pitik am ki corruption isu kan ka MDE2
kadang-kadang itu kadang objektif juga hi gini ya continue ba igata banne
Ye change mar piteng
kata ka shong be high command be mga banang batay kita high command be